What's the matter with them?
Why are they acting that way?
Why, don't you know? They're Twitter painted.
Twitter painted?
Yeah. Nearly everybody gets Twitter painted in the springtime. For example, you're walking along, minding your own business. You're looking either to the left or to the right. Then all of a sudden, you run smack into a pretty face. You begin to get weak in the knees. Your head's in a whirl. And then you feel light as a feather. And before you know it, you're walking on air. And then you know what? You're knocked for a loop. And you completely lose your head.
Gosh, that's awful.
Gee whiz, terrible.
And that ain't all. It can happen to anybody. So you'd better be careful. It could happen to you, and